Hello girls, our name is Pinky 1 and Pinky 2. We live in North America with our parents. Let's come and have our house tour. When entering the house, there is a door. Which color is? Yellow. And on the next hand, there is a little dog house, which is pink in color. And the upper second floor balcony is in purple color. And on the second room, color of window is pink, yellow, blue. And in top of our house, there is a clock. Dun, dun, dun. This is our mother's shoes. Our mother's makeup things. We cannot, we cannot, we cannot create fuss when our mother is not around home. This is our mother's carry mirrors. Our mother's perfume. My mother like mirrors to see how beautiful she is. This is our mother's big makeup kit, our mother's backpack, and our little baby's food tray with a little Mary, our mother's handbag. This is my bed. I sleep at the night in my pink bed. Now this is our swing, our slide. We play here when our mother asks, go outside and play with toys. This is our violin. Oh my god, this is the most beautiful part of our house. This pink one is mine. And this pink one is mine. This is our father and parents' chair. We sit here and eat some pastries with some cold drink. And the next chair is, oh my god, with a pink ice cream on the pink table with two chairs. This is our mother and father chair. This is umbrella. This keeps, this provides us a shadow when sun is very hot. Hello guys, this is our total home tour. Hope you guys like our video. If you like, comment and subscribe and share our channel.